actually flying!
What is happening here, Manny?
This is our resting balloon. I used it because Mutlu got so tired from running.
We normally only use it ourselves, but the others wanted to as well.
Sweetheart, you should also try it. It's so much fun.
I think we should also entertain our new guests. Come with me, Manny.
We have guests? Hey! Look there! They were following you guys! Super Mutlu will protect you! No! This way, Balloon! I said this way!
They are not strangers, Mutlu. They are the children of our new neighbors, Efe and Ada. I met them both and their family yesterday.
Ah, yes, that's right. They all moved into the house next to Mahmoud's house. Welcome to our yard, kids.
Welcome, you two! I'm Neşe. This is Zuzu. This is our superhero of a brother, Mutlu. And they are Minnie and Manny.
Ew! Did you really come from outer space?
Of course. Actually, we came from a planet very far away.
We're really happy to meet you, Efe. Hello there. And hello to you, Etta. Come on, let's go this way, everybody. Hey!
I'll call their mom and tell her her kids will be with us for the rest of the day.
I think we're going to be seeing a lot of them now. Look, kid, they seem to be getting along great with our kids.
You can keep an eye on the kids, right, dear?
Absolutely.